What's up YouTube, it's Eddie back from WD Baby. Today I'm going to show you how to charge your batteries on your DJI Mavic 2. Let's get right into it. So to get started, it's pretty simple. It has this piece right here that you can plug in right into this if you want to just charge one. If you want to charge all you have to do is put on a charger port right here. Plug them all in. Just like this, put this piece right on the back of here. Same with this. Make sure all on there good. So now that they're all on there, all you would have to do, take this piece, put it right on top of here on the side, and you would just need to plug it into an outlet. So I'm gonna plug it into an outlet. And once you plug it in, you'll see that light come on. Then you'll know it's charging. Also, if you guys want to charge a controller, it comes with this USB-C cord. Doesn't include the bottom piece, but you can plug any bottom piece into it. So you'll just do the same, plug it into the bottom right there, and then you'll just plug it inside the outlet. You'll see the lights come on, and you'll know it's charging. And then once your batteries are charged, put it in your drone. You just open the flaps. Just put in the batteries, and you put it right in there, and it'll lock in.